Hi, this is Randy Wimmer with Government Contracting Academy, and welcome back to the Proposal Writing Masterclass. Today's topic, it's a doozy. A lot of people don't understand it, but it's how to write easy storyboards. So what the hell is a storyboard? Well, if you ask 10 different people in this industry, you're going to get 10 different answers. This is what I think a storyboard does for you and why it's so important. In order to become acceptable, you need a green. You need to be compliant with the RP, but you're rarely going to win with a green rating. You need to have purple or good ratings. You need to have blue or outstanding ratings. And the way you get those, not by having a better solution, but by having strengths. Strengths are things that weren't asked for in the RFP that you provide the government that provides merit, that provides value to the customer. So those are the things that you need to bake in to your proposal activities. And you can never do that after the fact. If you don't know what your win things are going to be, what your potential strengths that you're trying to get, that you're going to try to get evaluated as strengths so you can go from green to purple and purple to blue. If you don't know what those are beforehand, you'll never get there. You've got to be very intentional in how you do that. So now the question is how do you do it? Well, this is the easy way that I discovered. Have the mindset that instead of writing a proposal, you in fact are writing a PowerPoint presentation about why they should give you the contract. Well, you've got to have your solution, that's obvious. But you also would want to talk a little bit about how your corporate credentials make you or enable you to provide a better service with better qualities, whatever that is. That your recruiting capabilities, that because of X, Y, and Z enables you to do a better job. Or maybe it's your incumbency. You understand the culture. You're already supporting a large number of their offices. You get it. You understand the mission. Maybe it's the fact that you're already the incumbent and you can say, hey, we have zero contract transition risk. Zero. The last day of the last contract is going to look just like the first day of the new one. So the deal is you got to bake those in. And if you don't identify them before you start putting pen to paper, you're never going to get them. So that's the most effective way that I've discovered to come up with your storyboard, is to do a PowerPoint presentation, and then you rip the titles of those slides and they become your candidate strengths that you're going to pump up the best way that you can in order to become competitive in your bid. I hope this helps.